Hello, traders. FS Pepperletter here. Today is Wednesday, March 6th, and this is my recap of the top of your videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video that I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So, big move on the dollar pairs today. The euro made a big push up. Actually, if we take it up to the 4 hour time frame real quick, we can see that we are at a 50% Fibonacci retracement of the move down on the daily time frame. So it's a very likely area for a pullback. But to me, this looks like a trend. This looks like a correction in the middle. There's a good chance that this is a one, this is a two, and we're in a wave three. And if that is the case, then we have a long ways to go to the upside. So what am I doing? I got my Fibonacci retracement on the 1 hour time frame on this last impulsive move up. I am doing the same thing I'm always doing. I'm trading with the trend on the higher time frames. I'm looking for preferably a three-way pullback, a Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. We definitely got support around this area, so I do think that the 50, 61% Fibonacci seems like a pretty likely area for that to go. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.